Welcome back, children. Let us begin with the line-wise paraphrasing of Act 2, Scene 2 from line number 147. So, before this, Trinculo begins that by this good light, this is a very shallow monster. He says that I swear by this good light that this is a very poor monster. I afeared of him. He says, I am not afraid of him. A very weak monster. He says he is indeed a very weak monster. The man in the moon. A most poor credulous monster. He says he is so foolish that he believed that you were the man in the moon. Well drawn monster in good sooth. He says, well, truly monster, you drank a big quantity of liquor from that bottle. Caliban, I'll show thee every fertile inch of the island. He says, well, I shall take you round this island and show you every inch of this fertile land. And I will kiss thy foot. And he says, I shall kiss your feet out of respect. I prithee be my God. He says, I request you, please be my God. Trinculo, by this light, a most perfidious and drunken monster. He says, I swear by this light that this is a most treacherous and drunken monster. When God's asleep, he'll rob his bottle. He says, well, when you, who are supposed to be his God, when you are asleep, he will drink the whole contents of this bottle. Then this bottle, Caliban, I'll kiss thy foot. He says, well, I am going to kiss your feet. I respect you. I swear myself thy subject. So he's under the influence of alcohol and he says all this. I shall swear to become your subject or your slave. Stephano, come on then, down and swear. Stephano also takes this opportunity. He says, okay, come on here. Come on, kneel down and swear by me. Trinculo, I shall laugh myself to death at this puppy-headed monster. So Trinculo says, indeed, the sight of this monster who has the stupid looking head of a puppy will make me laugh till I die. Most scurvy monster, I could find in my heart to beat him. He says, well, I feel he's such a mean and a wretched monster. I really feel a very strong desire to give him a good beating. Stephano, he continues, come kiss. He tells Caliban, come on, kiss my feet. Come on, kiss my feet. He gives Caliban a drink. Trinculo, but that poor monster's in drink, an abominable monster. He says, well, I could really give him a good beating if he were not drunk. He is a most hateful monster. Caliban, I'll show thee the best springs. He says, I will show you the best springs on this island. I'll pluck the berries. He says, I will pluck the berries from this island for you. And I'll fish for thee and get thee wood enough. He says, not only this, I shall go fishing for you and get you enough wood for fuel. A plague upon the tyrant that I serve. He says, may a plague fall on Prospero, whom I serve at present. I'll bear him no more sticks, but follow thee, thou wondrous man. He says, now I am not going to carry any more wood for Prospero, but now I am going to be your servant, O you most wonderful man. Trinculo, a most ridiculous monster. To make a wonder of a poor drunkard? He says this is a most ridiculous monster because he finds in a drunkard like you, Stephano, something worthy of admiration. Caliban, I prithee, let me bring thee where crabs grow. He says, I pray you, let me take you to the place where crab apples grow. And I with my long nails will dig the pig nuts. And he says that with my long nails I shall dig out the pig nuts for you. show thee a jay's nest. I shall also show you the nest of a jay. And instruct thee how to snare the nimble marmoset. I will also teach you how to catch the monkeys. I'll bring thee two clustering filberts, and sometimes I will get thee young camels from the rock. So he says that I will take you to a place where hazel trees grow in large numbers, and sometimes I will get you young seagulls from the rock. Wilt thou go with me? He says, will you come with me to these places? Stephano, I prithee now lead the way without any more talking. So he says, I request you, lead the way to these places without any more talking. Trinculo, the king and all our company else being drowned, we will inherit here. He says that, well, Trinculo, King Alonso and all our other companions have been drowned. So we shall take possession of this island. Here, bear my bottle, fellow Trinculo, we'll fill him by and by again. So he says, well, fellow, just carry my bottle. We shall soon refill this bottle with more wine. We will fill him by and by again. That is, we are going to refill it soon with this fellow's god. Caliban sings drunkenly. So he's in a drunken state. Farewell, master. Farewell, farewell. So he calls out, goodbye, master, goodbye. Trinculo, a howling monster, a drunken monster. He says he is a noisy monster, a drunken monster. Caliban, no more dams I'll make for fish. That is, no more dams. That is, I shall not again block up the streams to get fish for Prospero, nor fetching in firing at requiring. I shall no longer bring fuel wood under Prospero's orders, nor scrape trencher, nor wash dish, ban, Caliban. So he says, I shall no longer clean plates or wash dishes for Prospero, because Caliban has a new master. Let Prospero has a new master, get a new man, freedom, heyday, freedom, freedom, heyday, freedom. So he says, because Caliban has a new master, let Prospero now get a new servant. Hurrah, hurrah, I have got my freedom. Stephano, a brave monster, lead us the way. So he says, oh, excellent monster, show us the way. Thank you.